Did you know that the Egyptian goose was sacred in ancient Egypt, often appearing in art and even worshipped as a symbol of fertility? It looks like it's always wearing dark eye makeup. A bold patch around each eye gives it a unique, dramatic face. These geese are super aggressive. They even chase off larger birds to defend their turf. Despite their size, Egyptian geese are strong flyers and can soar to great heights when migrating or escaping danger. They mate for life and fiercely protect their partners and chicks together like a power couple. Native to Africa, they've now spread across Europe and even the US, adapting to cities, parks, and golf courses. People often confuse them for ducks, but they're actually closer to shelducks, a unique bird family. Like, share, and follow for more wild bird facts.